guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to be able to be partnering with Rose Forever New York to do a Mother's Day giveaway for one of you guys. That's right, this is just a giveaway for Mother's Day for one of you guys. If you like to hear all the details and find out how you can enter and what is all involved, then stay tuned. All right, you guys. So last weekend I actually posted a video and it was my update video, my 6-month and my 12-month update for the roses that they had sent to me for review. And I wanted to show you guys how beautiful they are and how they look just like they did from day one. Even my year-old oldie but goodie right here is over a year old now and it's still going strong. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the company got a hold of me and they asked if I would be willing to review another new product for you guys, like a different color or a style. And since these are both doing amazing, I would rather pass that offer down to one of you guys. Mother's Day is coming up. That could be an amazing gift for somebody that is a mother in your life or for yourself. So I wrote back to them. They loved the idea. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a giveaway. One person is going to win an arrangement from their essential bouquet arrangement. That is the 9-piece. So there'll be 9 roses in there. Not this one. Yours would have 9 roses inside and it will be in the black hat box. You can choose if you would like it to be in the square hat box or the round hat box, based on what they have available and the colors for it as well. So the one winner, once you are confirmed and you are the winner, you will then give them your shipping information. They will ship one out to either you or whoever you would like to gift that to, as long as they have a United States address. You then get to tell them if you want the round or the square, again with just the essential bouquet, and you can choose the color option that they have available at that time as well. They have a lot of different colors to choose from. So at the time of you winning, you would check to see what they have, let them know, hey, this is the one and the address, and they will ship it right to them or to you, depending on who's going to be the recipient. The only rules that are going to be is my normal simple giveaway rules. Short and simple. You must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to you guys that are here positively supporting me on my channel. I love to give back to you guys to show my appreciation. So number 1, be subscribed to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave one comment down below. And in that comment, put the words "enter me" and who you are deciding to give the gift to, either yourself or to a loved one in your life. Let me know who you're going to be passing that gift down to. You can leave as many comments as you would like as well. Just one entering in for the giveaway. So one that says "enter me" per username to make it fair for everybody entering. I'm going to have this run for 2 weeks so I can get that winner confirmed, get the information over to them. They can prepare your order and ship it, so then the recipient receives it before Mother's Day. So I will have this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker to cipher through the comments that say "enter me." And if it does say your name, then I will comment back to your comment saying, "Congratulations, you are the current winner of this giveaway," and now have 48 hours to respond back to me. If you do not respond back to me within that 48 hours, then a new winner must be chosen. The new winner will have the same rules, 48 hours, and so on and so forth until I get that confirmed win. Down in the description box below, it will have the official end date, all the official rules, and it will say, "Congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm," and once they are confirmed, it will say "confirmed." So if it still says "has 48 hours to confirm," then hold tight. We might need to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. And you must have a United States address for them to ship it to. So it doesn't matter where you live, as long as whoever is receiving the flowers has a United States address for them to ship it to. You must be over the age of 18, so we're communicating with an adult to get shipping information. If you're not over the age of 18, have anybody that's over the age of 18 or a legal parent or guardian enter in for you. And then go to their Instagram and give them a follow on their Instagram page. That is their only rules for them, is to follow them on their Instagram. If you personally do not have an Instagram, then have a friend or a family member or somebody enter in on your behalf. And that is it, you guys. Short and simple. As always, follow them on their Instagram. I will link their Instagram account down below in the description box as well. Or again, have somebody else follow them on your behalf. And then be subscribed, like, leave one comment down below, have a United States address for the recipient to receive the flowers, and be over the age of 18 or have somebody over the age of 18 to enter in for you. That is all, you guys. Short, simple, easy. And again, we will have this run for 2 weeks so we can get this all done and confirmed before Mother's Day so somebody can actually enjoy their flowers on Mother's Day. If you do want to take a look at their website, maybe you want to give a gift for somebody for Mother's Day as well, they do still have my code active, which is Tracy20. Tracy20 will get you $20 off your first bouquet from their website. They ship very, very quick too. So that is an amazing idea. Even if you would like to send some roses to your mother, your grandmother, or somebody that represents your mother in your life, or just a friend or a family member or somebody that's close to you that is a mother and you just want to say, hi, I appreciate you. You can send them some flowers. And again, Tracy20 will get you $20 off. They have the smaller version. They have a single rose. They have them in the clear boxes like I showed you on my update. So they have so many different ones to offer if you do want to check them out. Again, their website will be linked down below. I'm so glad that they actually got a hold of me and asked if I would be able to do another review for you guys, and we came up with this idea because now I get to pass that offer down to you, and somebody out there is going to be enjoying these roses for at least 1 year or more. Well, definitely more. These are proven fact that there's a more after that 1 year. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know. Are you super excited about this giveaway? Who are you going to be giving it to if you do win? Have you seen their flowers before? Do you want to purchase them for a gift? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.